Sadie, you're just like Levi. Why did you get rid of all your toys? Put them back up here. No more throwing. Sadie Joe, I just said no throwing. Why did you do that? Now you can't reach it. Your arms are too short. Get your other toys. Throw those over too. Oh, there it goes. Oh, Woody's about to die. Bye, Woody. Bye, truck.